Hello and welcome to Online Q's, the YouTube channel for online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can back up your chat on Google Drive. Now WhatsApp is a free app that you can easily download on your Android phone and on your Apple device. Now it's free for use. You can voice call, video chat and text message over the internet on a free basis. Only if you're using your mobile data, then if you're using up your mobile data. Now WhatsApp is a chat messaging app that allows great connectivity over low connectivity, internet connectivity, that is. So make sure that you have the WhatsApp app and you run it. Now if you have chat that you wanna save to your Google Drive, click on these three dots over here and then click on settings and then go into chats and then you go into chat backup. As you can see, I already selected a Google Drive account to back up my chat into, and then but I've never backed it up, so I'm just gonna pick on when I want to back up. So it's like only when I tap backup, daily, weekly or monthly. If you are a person who use a lot of WhatsApp and you want the data on your WhatsApp not to disappear, you can click on daily and then click on the Google account again, and then you can choose backup over Wi-Fi or cellular mobile data. You should pick on Wi-Fi if you have lots of files that needs to be backed up, and then you can also click on include videos and then click on backup, and then it will start to back up your chat data onto your Google Drive account. So as you can see, I have a total of 109 KB to be uploaded. So this is how you can back up your chat data on WhatsApp to your Google Drive. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our channel.